Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to define needs on choosing the best plugin for your site that some people not aware with it. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you will never miss our new videos. As a web developer, you shouldn't even skip this step before start building your site. Yes, you have to define needs before even choosing a plugin that fit to your site. There are a lot of plugins that you can choose. As for today, there are 45,000 plugins with a total of 1.2+ billion downloads in WordPress Plugins Repository. Ain't no way you will download everything, right? So for that case, you have to define your needs for your site. Here's some examples. You want to build a business website. Then, which plugins that you might need? You will need a plugins to boost your site SEO. You'll need a CTA button plugins to make it easier for your audience. You'll need a security plugins to secure your site, and many more. You have to make a list of it, then search for a plugins that catch your attention or fit to your site. Then how to actually define needs and what to do while preparing on choosing a plugins. In this video, I will give you some tips that you can try before you start building your site. Okay, before we start choosing a plugins, surely we have to make a list of it, the list of the plugins that we need. But besides that, there are some features that are important for all websites, such as backups, SEO, CTA button, and spam protection. They should be at the top of your list and where you start your search for plugins, as they are essential for the daily operation of the website. For CTA button, I have a recommendation for you. There's a plugin called Floating User Button. It is a customizable station button that can help you do various things like adding call to action, scroll to top, and display custom pop-up. Make sure to check it out and add it to your list. When you are making a list of your needs, you also have to research about it. Some plugins might be not really good for your site. So, alongside with making a list, you have to do research too. When you search for the plugins, you'll find both free and premium options. Free options are usually a good place to start because they don't require any money. For free plugins, the best source is the WordPress Plugins Repository. There are thousands of options, all free, so it's a great place to start. Plugins are also tagged and categorized for easy searching. Just use the filter to find a list of possible plugins. Additionally, many of the free options in the repository also offer premium upgrades for additional services and premium support if you need or want it. Premium plugins, on the other hand, really are not that expensive and come with better support. But also, avoid illegal free downloads of premium plugins. Not only is this unfair to the author who spent so much effort creating their awesome plugins, but you will probably get some nasty malicious code injected into your website. In addition to trustworthy sources, it's a good idea to check the ratings and reviews for a plugin. For many popular plugins, a quick Google search will return a ton of detailed review from bloggers. Look for the number of downloads against the plugins. A high number is a good indication of the popularity of the plugins. Sometimes, it may be that a plugin is not downloaded that often, merely because it fulfills a niche requirement. Check the star rating. While a higher rating means a better plugin, the converse is not necessarily true. If you find a plugin you like but it has a poor rating, don't dismiss it right away. The rating may be biased because of a limited number of reviews or a single reviewer who was very particular. If you have any questions, simply leave a comment or email the plugin author to find out if the plugin is capable of what you need. Okay, so that's all from me. Don't forget to always define needs before choosing a plugin for your site. It's good since you might want to build a perfect dream site. Do make a list of certain plugins that you think it is a must-have and do research about the plugins before you install it. Check the rating, review, active installation, and also when was the last time it get updated. By the way, this is how I usually do before choosing a plugins. How about you? If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!